Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at home. Take out your Rainbow Term 1 book. Today we will do the concept of one more than and one less than. Let's start one by one. Okay, let's start with the concept of one more. We are doing the work in class, so we will write classwork and we will write today's date. Look at the picture and understand. Before starting the concept, can anyone tell me the meaning of one more? Okay, I will tell you. One more means we have to add 1 to the given number. Let's understand it by example. In first example, you can see we are having one ball. If we add one more ball to it, it will be equal to 2. Or we can say 1 more than 1 is 2. The given number here is 1, and if we add 1 to it, it will be equal to 2. Here in the second example, we are having 2 butterflies. If we add one more butterfly to it, the answer will be 3. Or we can say 1 more than 2 is 3. Here the given number is 2. If we add 1 to the given number, the answer is 3. 2 plus 1, which will be equal to 3. In third example, we are having 3 parrots. So the given number is 3. If we add 1 to the given number, which means 3 plus 1, it will be equal to 4. Or we can say 1 more than 3 is 4. 1 more than 3 is 4. Okay, let's do exercise. So the first is 1 more than 4 is. We have to add 1 to the given number. Here 4 is the given number. So we have to add 1. So 1 more than 4 is 5. 5 is written under 1's place. Next, 1 more than 5 is, if we add 5 plus 1, so 1 more than 5 is 6. Or we can say we have to write the next number. Next is 1 more than 8 is. That means we have to add 1 to the given number. Here the given number is 8, which means we have to add 1 to 8. So 8 plus 1 will be equal to 9. So we can say that 1 more than 8 is 9. 1 more than 9 is, now we have to add 1. 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10. 1 more than 9 is 10. Or we can say we have to write the next number of the given number. 1 more than 19 is, that means we have to add 1 to the given number, which means 19 plus 1. Or we can say we have to write the next number. So 1 more than 19 is 20. 1 more than 22 is, we have to add 1 to the given number. Here the given number is 22. So 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. 1 more than 22 is 23. Or we can say we have to write the next number. 1 more than 22 is 23. Okay, let's start with the concept of one less. Look at the pictures and understand. In first example, we are having 2 balls. If we subtract 1 ball from it, we will left with only 1 ball. Or we can say 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 less than means we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Here the given number is 2. We have to subtract 1 from it. So the answer is 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Or we can say 1 less than 2 is 1. In the next picture you can see the given number is 3. We are having 3 butterflies. If we subtract 1 butterfly from it, so the answer will be 2. Or we can say 1 less than 3 is 2. We have to subtract 1 from the given number. In the next example, you can see how many parrots are we having? We are having 4 parrots. If we subtract 1 parrot from it, the total number of parrots that are left is 3. Or we can say 1 less than 4 is 3. So 1 less than means we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, now let's solve these questions. So the first question is asking 1 less than 5 is. In 1 less than concept we have to subtract 1 from the given number. That means we have to subtract 1 from 5. So 1 less than 5 is 4. Or we can say that we have to write the previous number. Second, 1 less than 9 is, we have to subtract 1 from 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 1 less than 9 is 8. Next, 1 less than 11 is, we have to subtract 1 from 11. 1 less than 11 is 10. Next, 1 less than 24 is, we have to subtract 1 from 24. So 24 minus 1 will be equal to 23. 1 less than 24 is 23. Next, 1 less than 30 is, we have to subtract 1 from 30. 30 minus 1 will be equal to 29. 1 less than 30 is 29. 1 less than 7 is, what will be 1 less than 7? We have to subtract 1 from 7. 7 minus 1 will be equal to 6. 1 less than 7 will be equal to 6. Hope you have understood the concept of 1 more and 1 less.